There are three principles that apply to all human beings that we must understand and act upon. Number one, the principle of self-ownership, meaning that you own yourself. You are responsible for your actions. No human being can claim authority upon you or your property or the fruits of your labor. Number two, the non-aggression principle. The non-aggression principle means that you owe everyone one thing. Do no harm. Do not initiate aggression or harm upon another. And number three, the self-defense principle. If harm or aggression is initiated upon you, you have the right in nature, in creation, to defend yourself by any means necessary. These are the three principles we must know if we want to achieve and maintain freedom.